quick sneak peek. So we've got a number 547. There is so many cars. Like there happens to be another Mustang next to me, but there is so many cars. So this is going to take a long time. So I might have aged by the time I get to the start. Alrighty, so we're only a couple cars away. I don't fully know where I am, but we're not far. Find out, see what happens. I think we're only going to do one run. There's so many people. It's been like a whole hour of lining up, so I'm not lining up for another hour, as I'd like to get home shortly. So see how this goes, because Nick's up on the hill watching, and said our Mustang almost crashed. So I was like, thanks for telling me extra. So we'll find out, eh? We'll get into it. All right, so we're lining up and all that stuff. Hopefully. Alright, we gotta have all the So I've got no idea. Feel like I didn't have traction the whole time, but oh well, she be. We didn't crash. We did a pumpy. I don't know. I raced the Capri. I raced something. Not Capri. The other one. I forgot the name. But anyway, we raced. Find out. Hopefully it didn't foul, because I feel like it fouled, but maybe it fouled old mate. Hard to tell in the rearview mirror what actually happened. Alright, what'd I do? Ugh! I did a 15, so I'm only doing run, but literally, where are we? 15. That's what we've done. It definitely 106 mile an hour. Reaction time. Okay, so I actually went too early, slightly, somehow, apparently. Anyway, there we go, 15. It was definitely skidding in first gear for a long time, so yeah, it is what it is. We're here, M1 and the Mustang. So we're gonna find out in this video how much power it actually has and how fast we can take it down the strip. So hope you enjoy. See you soon. So this is kind of exciting because essentially this is the first Mustang Benny's doing, so not that it's any more difficult. There's a few little things that you know, are different than some stuff, but you see the man has tuned so many vehicles. So first Mustang, I think this is going to be HB tuned. So yeah, the next hopefully coming months, then we'll get it on and actually do some power increases. But right for now, we're just going to see absolute base, what actual horsepower is to the rear wheels on 18s. So just so people know, we're running a 245/40 18 on the back, and the rest is all dead stock power. Only other thing I've done is I actually cut out the middle resonator so I can hear the car slightly. So each exhaust currently, one is left exhaust is left of the head, right exhaust is right of the head. It doesn't cross over at any point, so you can't add power, but it changes the sound, and so I can hear it. All right, so with the Mustang, obviously, so it's about 350 horsepower at the wheels, so we know that. The car did a 15. Look, I definitely had loss of traction for probably about, I don't know, 40-ish maybe meters, maybe 30 meters, somewhere there. So that ruined my time. I don't drag, so I know you might be like, you should have just done less throttle, blah blah blah. Well, I do drift, so obviously I know if I worked on my driving there, I could make that better, but I don't know how much faster it could go. Like, it wasn't slow, but it's a very lazy 350, I will say that. However, the car now, so since it's been a few weeks, I've definitely worked out a few little stuff to play with, stuff you need to unhook. It's a bit of a mish to actually drift it and turn off a ton of safeties and make it work. So that's the issue. But one thing we have done, got this fresh tint, static films, thank you. I don't know how we can see that, but it's a blue on blue tint. Thought we'll give it a go. So we have. So that's it. That car's got a banner. Next video coming up, we took this to a drift comp and we put a scratch on it. So we'll see what happens there. But it was the Queensland versus New South Wales competition we did a few weeks back. It's been a lot of stuff going on. Been crazy with events, so we should have some good footage coming your way. Also stuff I didn't film because I just couldn't be stuffed. So hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching this week. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll be seeing Rice and Miata hopefully soon at the shop. Enjoy. Quick sneak peek. Drift car is on the hoist, getting a ton of stuff done. Steering racks, bushes, different turbo manifold, different exhaust, intercooler piping, ECU. Look out for that. I'm excited, keen to rip some tires in this dog. Let's go. Let's nerd.